When it comes to RV repair and upgrades, many RV owners wonder, can I fix my RV myself? Hello, I'm Stephen Holmes, Director of Service Operations for Keystone RV Company. We know your time is valuable, and we understand the cost associated with bringing your travel trailer or your fifth wheel to your dealership for repairs. That's why, as a manufacturer, we're sharing our RV Pro tips in a series of DIY RV videos for those of you that might want to tackle the simple stuff yourself. Remember to always use caution, and if at any time you are uncomfortable, please stop what you're doing and schedule an appointment with your authorized dealership. Even more importantly, never work on any safety-related items.
Welcome to another episode of RV Pro Tips. I'm Bart Taylor, and today I will show you the camera-ready prep found on select Keystone RVs. I will start by answering the question, what is the camera-ready prep? It is simply a positive and negative wire loop from the clearance lights. Once connected, those wires supply power to the camera when the 7-way cord is plugged in to the tow vehicle. For safety during installation, remove power to the clearance lights by making sure the 7-way is not connected to the tow vehicle. Also, read the manufacturer's installation instructions prior to installing. On the rear wall of the unit is a wire clip cover mounted with 2 screws and a sticker. Remove the 2 screws and pull the clip out and find the wires attached behind. Pull the wires out of the wall enough to work on and dispose of the clip. The green wire is the positive, the white wire is the negative. You can verify this with the Keystone 12-volt standard. Cut the wires and strip back 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of the insulating coating off each wire. The camera prep wire has a red positive and a black negative per the manufacturer's installation instructions. Take the positive lead from the backup camera and twist together with the positive wires and wire nut together. Do the same with the negative wires. Then secure using electrical tape. Tuck the wires back into the wall, but keep in mind the screws used to install the camera. Tuck the wires in a manner that you won't damage them when you secure the camera to the wall. Once secured, check the operation with the monitor, then seal. If you have an idea for a DIY video you would like to see, please leave us a comment. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us at KeystoneRV.com. And thanks for watching.